Hello there. We closed out our working week on a hot and increasingly humid story. In fact, many areas across the country seeing temperatures mid to high 20s, peaking in the southeast with 30 degrees as an afternoon high. Now, that means that temperatures not falling very far at all. So the start of Saturday morning is going to be quite an uncomfortable one, quite a muggy one. Temperatures in London, well, sitting at around 20 degrees already. That's 68 Fahrenheit.
It's because it's all change, isn't it?
It is.
Beautiful day yesterday.
If I walk out now,
just
don't be offended.
Yeah, it's just, 30 seconds.
Yeah, it was all changed. Well, it is all changed because yesterday temperatures got up to 30.2 degrees Celsius in Chertsey in the southeast of England. But with the heat and the humidity, well, today we are going to see some thundery showers developing, and it's going to feel a tad fresher for many of us as well through today. There's lots going on today, isn't there? We've got Headingley, the Ashes, we've got Silverstone qualifying, Wimbledon, of course. All these events are likely to be impacted by the weather today.
And everyone else going out for their runs or local football matches, hockey matches, whatever.
There could be some pretty severe weather out there actually today, especially later on. Some heavy and thundery showers are in the forecast. But this morning, we actually start off with some sunshine. But how did you sleep? Because it was a very warm and humid night. These are the temperatures at the moment out there, already into the 20s across many parts of the UK. It's going to be another warm day, especially across eastern areas of England. But with the heat and the humidity, there'll be some sunny spells, but heavy and thundery showers. As I mentioned, the rain could be torrential for some of you. There could be some hail, frequent lightning, the risk of some localised flash flooding as well.
Here in the UK, but there are threats of thunder and the first rumbles have been heard. Crews there are beginning to bring the covers out. They've brought the covers out. We saw them out earlier as Mike is there for the Ashes, which England needs to win against Australia. Battling away, but the thunderclouds are definitely threatening, Simon, all parts of the country.
They are indeed. Despite that glorious
weather we had yesterday.
Yeah, they had a brief heavy shower at Headingley not long ago. That's moved away now, just the odd one or two. And while many of us start off with some sunshine, yet the main story today is the heat and the humidity building up again, bringing those thundery downpours. And all of us could well catch one of these torrential downpours as we head into this afternoon. But as I said, it's a fine start, really, for many of us. We've had some sunshine first thing this morning. But how was your sleep? Because it was a very warm and humid night.
Glorious in the sunshine.
Yep.
May look a bit bleh today.
Not so good, yeah. Lots of showers in the forecast today. In fact, this morning we've already seen a bit of cloud building up and some showers already. Just look at the sun's rays coming through this cloud here in Argyll and Bute so far this morning.
Is that going to happen where I am, for example?
Yeah, it is interesting today. Now, I've got this picture. This is just about half an hour ago. It's a really interesting cloud. It's called Asperitascloud. And can you see this detail in the cloud here? A bit wavy.
It looks like something out of Lord of the Rings.
Exactly,
or Game of Thrones or something.
Now, this cloud was only recently added to the International Cloud Atlas in 2017.
What does it bring? What is it bringing with it?
It's just basically very unsettled weather, like thundery breakdown, really. So that's in the Isle of Wight, and that's exactly what's happening at the moment there. We've got some heavy and thundery showers in the forecast today. Showers are gathering. Can you remember what this cloud is? Asperitas. Yeah, very good. Yeah, so since that picture I showed you about half an hour ago, we've had more of these Asperitas clouds sent into us from our weather watchers. Yeah, the storm clouds are brewing across southern areas, but this is a very special type of cloud. It's very wavy, and it's often, if you look underneath it, it looks like, you know, if you're under a wave, you can see those waves in the clouds in the sky. So, yeah, indicative of some pretty unsettled weather at the moment, and during the afternoon, all of us could well catch some of these showers, but they could be torrential in places, some frequent lightning, hail and gusty winds all linked in with it. Now, still hot and humid across northern Scotland, 27 or 28 degrees Celsius, so a little bit cooler elsewhere, but still got that humid feel. Look at these heavy downpours. Look at the bright colours here. That's indicative of those thunderstorms. There could be some localised flash flooding. As they move through, though, there'll be some sunny spells in between. So at Wimbledon this afternoon, there's a decreasing risk of showers. So initially there could be one or two, but they will tend to move away later on, and there'll be some fine weather going into this evening. At Headingley, well, there is a chance of these thunderstorms and showers pretty much all day today, so certainly the risk of some interruptions to play at the Ashes.